Hi, I'm Marna. This is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and I'm dressed like this still because I want to remind you to go look at last Friday's video and vote between Peacecraft Dolls with Tammy Powley and I on a 1 to 10 scale for our Hippie dolls. Let me take this off and swing into today's video. I took a rainbow high doll and a Barbie pattern and made her a new outfit. Just before Easter, I did a collab with Beth Ramsden, J Dolls UK, and Peacecraft Dolls with Tammy Powley. And we each used this same pattern for our Blythe dolls. Everyone made a different outfit. It was so fun because what we were trying to show is what you can do with a clothes pattern and how fun it is to create your own design. So after that, I thought, you know, I'm going to do an outfit for my Rainbow High doll. I love this doll. Her hair is incredible. This is one of the twins. This is Laurel, and her sister is Holly. And I took her hair down and washed it. It's gorgeous. And it was down to the ground and hanging, like there was like an inch or two hanging. So I let it air dry, and then the idea was not this, but when I when I got her hair done, I thought, you know, I kind of like that. And what I have done is made a puff in the middle of a ponytail. I like it. I like her a lot. So what I did is Darren made her a yellow, bright yellow stand, which I absolutely love. And I took this same pattern and I made her the same outfit. Pull this off, show you. The sleeves are a bit too long. I meant to point that out. And I tucked this one under, but I left the other one long to show you how much longer. One more tuck of the fabric than the pattern shows, and it would have been the right length. It was a little too wide, the actual pattern for the Rainbow High doll. The skirt would have fit just right if I had not taken such large darts, and I took 4. 1 each on the back piece and then 2 in the front. I do like the fit though. I like form-fitting clothes on my dolls, especially dolls that have such a nice body. And then the little halter top, of course, it was too wide and I took that in. But I am really pleased with this outfit. I love this fabric. I had bought it, oh gosh, quite a while ago. I'm going to show you these sleeves. Quite a while ago at Walmart on clearance. I paid like $1/4 for a fat quarter. I paid like 25 cents. Okay, see the sleeves? They're just a little long, but if you push up and bend, they're fine. I'd rather have them too long than too short myself. I also, you know, my nails broke, and that's my best sewing tool. I also tucked the one under, one more tuck, and that fit just right. Will I tack that down? I don't think I will, because I'm not sure that this outfit wouldn't also fit a curvy Barbie. I also wanted to say that this Simplicity pattern 4702 would not be too hard for someone that is learning to sew and already has the basics. I think this is a great pattern for beginner sewers. As long as you take your time, it's not a hard pattern. Thank you for watching the Dolls Rescue channel. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe.